Okay, this is one of those things where you do something, you said, man, I should have made a video of that. And that happened. So what it is how to clean one of these cups really clean. So if you can see all that discoloration, and that's just coffee residue, you know what I mean? So what you do, and this is already something I've used, but you put some Comet or Barkeeper's Friend in there, and then add some water. Now this is already mixed together because I just cleaned another cup and I just dumped what was in that cup into this glass. And you're going to get one of these attachments. This is for like doing wheels on a car, but just look on Amazon for any kind of brush that'll fit on a drill. You just stick it down in there. Start off slow. And I like to have so get the angle like this and then spin the cup around so you get all the way all around the edges at the bottom. Okay, now we just work it up and down. There you go. So, hope that helps. See ya.